In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the background from a picture in Google Slides in just about 5 minutes. This simple yet incredibly effective technique will elevate the visual impact of your presentations, allowing your main subjects to stand out without the distraction of a busy background. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, mastering this skill can significantly polish and professionalize your slides. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Google Drive. Once there, sign in by typing in your email and password, then click Next. Signing in is a breeze and just the first step to unlocking the powerhouse of tools that Google Drive offers, including Google Slides, where we'll be working today. After you've successfully signed in, go ahead and open the specific Google slide where you aim to edit the picture. Google Slides offers a very user-friendly interface, so navigating to your slide shouldn't be a headache. Now locate and click on the image in your slide that you wish to edit. This can be any image you've inserted that you feel needs a cleanup by removing its background. Here comes the techie part, but don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. Look towards the top menu and click on Extensions. This menu is where Google Slides extends its functionalities beyond the basic features, providing you with a plethora of options to enhance your presentations. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Extensions, search for and click on Background Remover for images. This is a handy tool that will help us achieve the magic of making the image background disappear. Once you've found the Background Remover tool, click on Open. A side panel or a new window will pop up, prompting you to the next step. This is where the real action begins. Now all there's left to do is click on Start Remove. This command instructs the tool to start processing your image, identifying and eliminating the background while preserving the main subject of your image. And there you have it. Patience is key, as the process might take a couple of moments. But once done, you'll be greeted with your subject, free from any distracting background elements. This not only makes your slide look cleaner, but also ensures that the focus stays where it's supposed to be, on your content. To recap, we've ventured from signing into Google Drive, navigating to Google Slides, selecting the image, utilizing the Background Remover for Images tool, and marveling at the magic it performs on our selected images. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't hesitate to experiment with different images and slides. The more you play around with these tools, the better you become at using them to enhance your presentations. I hope this guide has been helpful and inspires you to create visually striking presentations that capture and retain your audience's attention. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Happy presenting!